Okay, so here we are. Another installment of my laser. I am 99.9% finished. As you can see, the lids are on. Laser's in place. Very cool little gold lenses are in place. Right there and there. Of course, I've cleaned them 100 million times just to be on the safe side because I touched one of them. Oh, don't ever do that whenever you build a laser. Reflectors in here as well. I installed the lens. This is not focused, of course. It'll have to be aimed and focused. From what I've heard, that takes forever. This is the front lid. I have not taken the plastic off the side yet, as I am still doing some final touch-ups. I still have to install the water pipe down to my handy-dandy little pump station here. And then in the back, I have the potentiometer right there to install. And I have diagrams up here that I need to change over to. In fact, let me load one real quick because this is my wiring diagram that I've been following. See, there's a potentiometer. I've got to follow this. And a friend of mine sent me a photograph labeled of what he did in order to get it connected because the directions are terrible, as we've learned. But I am 99% done except for the water pump and the potentiometer in the back. So you can see there's my breakout board, little slot there. Here's the fan. It's blowing because I have the AC blowing on me. It is super hot in here today. I already see some things that I want to upgrade. I moved the power switches to the front. They're kind of hidden in here, but for the most part, they work. I'm going to do a little countersink before I fasten those in place. Of course, the LED panel, I'm probably going to put a little sheet of plexi across that. I've got some real paper thin stuff that'll look nice, just kind of give it this. And of course, I'm going to have a decal that I've already designed to go right here because I've named it. We'll reveal the name in a little bit in another time. But, like I said, 99% done. Oh, I also did this little doodad. Now it is a female jack for any cord as opposed to just a random cord sitting out there. The other big thing I need to do is cable management. As you can see, I've got a lot of extra cable. I was originally going to run this up front, but then I realized I didn't want to, so I'm going to probably put some cable management on there, which isn't too hard to do. And it's already been suggested to upgrade the fan, but I have this vacuum air filter system over here that I'm going to try to integrate instead. And then these seams, I'm going to get some plastic, probably just some really good plastic tarp, maybe a clear to go along with the design. And on the inside of the seam, seal it so that the air can't go in here, because there is an air gap built in right here. See this? So that the air can flow in and out. And I want to make it a vacuum in there, so I'll probably be doing some other ideas to seal it up. I have tiles put down underneath it, and I have to level it, of course. But I was just informed that it's almost 6 o'clock, and I started at 1 o'clock and completely lost track of time. So as they always say, time flies whenever you're having fun, right? Pretty cool. I can't wait to fire this baby up. Talk to you next time, everybody.